Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Kat.
I'm Pat, and we are
the Drug Queens! Together we make videos that are local, drugstore, and affordable.
Kat, have you heard of the Beyonce collection from Sir John and Luminess Cosmetics?
Yes, and sobrang nakakalaway talaga nung, oh my goodness. Lalo na for those Lion King fans.
Yes, super. Kasi parang hindi ka lang fan ng movie, inspired ka pang mag-make pa.
Oo, yes.
Pag nakita mo yung yung mga pangalan pa, Nala, Simba, tapos yung lipstick, be prepared. Feel mo ikaw si Scar. Alam mo na, ito yung mga hyenas.
Pero yung question, girl, magkano ba to?
Ayun lang po. Doon po tayo nawawalan po ng signal. Choppy po kayo, choppy. The collection itself is worth $250. Ang $250 sa ating Filipinas is mga 15,000 pesos.
At dahil hindi naman tayo kumikita ng dolyar, So, paano ba natin gagawin to?
And because this channel is about affordable makeup products, we wanted to use whatever that we already have, na affordable makeup, drugstore makeup, and to make it with the looks na inspired dun sa collection.
If you want to know more, if you want to learn how, then please keep on watching! So, we're going to try itong ating look from Luminess Beauty. Tapos, gagayahin natin itong picture na to. Ito yung with, very, very fierce na cat's eye. Siguro, better word is inspired tayo sa look na to. So, we're going to try. Okay, so first things first, let's prep our lids with concealer. And ang gagamitin nating eyeshadow palette for today is itong Berries ni BYS. Kasi ito yung medyo may gold, may brown, and may color black. Nakikita ko kasi medyo parang brown lang and then gold. So, let's first start with the crease. And gamitin natin is itong lightest shade. Oh my goodness, wala na namang pangalan. So, we're gonna use this FS Cosmetics na single eyeshadow. Si Mahogany Wood. Yes. Favorite ko to. Sobra. As in, everyday, ginagamit ko siya. Now, let's proceed dun sa goldish na ganon. So, here, meron tayong dalawang gold from Berries. This one and then this one. Pasensya na walang pangalan. Yes. I'm just gonna mix the two and let's see from there. So, na-fill up na natin ng gold and ng shimmers yung ating lid, pero medyo kulang pa siya and medyo mas yellow pa yung gold niya. So, I'm gonna use itong Detail Makeover Metallics Color Eyeshadow Palette at ang gagamitin ko ay itong si Talitha. Yes, itong color yellow na to make it more yellow and more gold. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Ayan, medyo ginto na talaga siya. Ayan. Pero, pag ganun ka, wala na. Hi, the life of Chinita. Alam mo yun, kahit gano'ng kakapal na eyeliner, eyeshadow, pag dilat mo ng ganyan, wala na. Gawin muna natin yung lower lash line na napaka-fierce talaga ng bongga naman, no? For the black eyeliner or black eyeshadow, we're gonna use a pencil from Flormar and i-blend natin siya with itong from Berries in color black here. Okay, so meron na tayo, very fierce na under eye. So now, let's proceed dun sa upper lid natin na sa chinita kong mata. Ewan ko kung makikita nyo, pero we're gonna use a very thin and very small na liquid eyeliner. This one is 50 pesos lang na I got from Aido. 50 pesos, very small. Meron ka ng eyeliner na on the go. Hey, medyo nakahinga na tayo ng kaunti. Grabe, ang hirap mag-eyeliner mga beshi. Pero laban lang. Medyo complete na tong eye look na to. Lalagay ko na lang yung lashes. And I'll be right back para sa ating lips. Okay, meron na tayong eyelashes. Who is this girl? Oh, nandiyan na talaga yung lashes. Hindi ko na nakikilala yung sarili ko. Okay, so let's proceed to the lips. And I'm gonna use this lustrous. Ito yung Virgo and Leo. Okay, so ito kasi yung medyo mas orange dun sa kanyang collection, ano. Meron tayong lighter and then yung darker. Let's first start with Leo. After ni Leo is si Virgo. Ayan. Ito yung medyo mas orange. Laki ng lips ko. Naubos ko yung lipstick. Ayan. Orange siya, love. Parang kulang ng red. Don't you think? Okay, so hindi namin na-anticipate. Nagiging niyo si Pat. Nandun si Pat. Okay, so another lustrous lipstick to the rescue. Kaya ito naman si Libra. Wala, 3 lipstick na yung nasa bunga nga. Ito na talaga. Okay, so medyo mas may sheen ng konti yung kanyang lips na. So we're gonna put some gloss. This one is my favorite gloss from Shawil. Yes, ang tagal na nito sa akin. Ayan, bakla. Tapos na bakla. Ayan. So, just gonna finish off the look as in with hair and stuff. And I'll be back with Pat. Yeah, so we're already prepped with the base. As you can see, talaga namang contour kong contour. Now we are going to use this I Heart Revolution Mermaid because our look will be such as this. Yan. So, pati yung kilay niya talagang gray din yung kilay na ginawa ko, no? So, for the looks, I think it would be really, really simple. First off, we are going to use this one right here for the crease. Okay, like that. So, medyo parang brown siya, no? And then, we're just gonna put it right over here. Kung meron man akong natutunan sa pag-eyeshadow, tapos tatapalan din siya, okay lang kahit messy yung gagawin. Kasi, ano naman, lalagyan mo naman siya ng concealer. So, that's fine. Pero alam mo, kahit anong dark kong gawin, pictures namin parang light pa rin yung ginawa ko. So, sige, OA yan natin today. Okay, so I think that's already intense. Intense na yan sa lagay na yan. Ngayon, gagamit agad tayo ng green agad. Kasi, wala lang concealer ito green. So, meron tayong dalawang green. This is this one and then this one. So, we'll see first kung green. Okay, about this one. Ay! Ganon, parehas bet. Alright, so I think we're going to use the second one. Okay, game na agad. Pak. Gamit tayo ng hindi pang nalilinis na brush, pero same color. Ay! Ang winner! ng brush set ko. Alam niyo, gagamitin ko pa siya. So, yun. Okay, this one, we are going to use this one, guys. Mas okay yung flat brush para talagang mas malagay dyan. Kata mo ba? Ay! Oh, ayan. Gina. Karen. Okay, so, dinrag ko na siya up until here. Ayan, here. Kasi yun yung nakalagay doon. Ano ba, nangungopia lang tayo. Okay. Dinner ko sa doon. Ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng blue here in the inner corner. Again, another flat brush, pero iba naman. Yung mas malinis sa gamit natin kanina. We'll put it here. Ay, ang ganda mo. Bakit ka ganon? Ngayon, para talagang mas magkaroon ng medyo depth naman ulit with inside the inner eyes. Lagay tayo ng black. Yan. So, black pencil tayo dun sa inner corners. Guys, walang hihinga, utang na loob. Walang hihinga. So, ganito lang siya ka-easy. Tingin kong ganyan. Ganyan mo. Ganyan mo. Paano gawin kapag hawak mo yung mirror? Eh, di magdusa ka. Okay, nakita niyo naman siguro yung difference talaga na with eyeliner and without inner eyeliner. So, nag-curl mascara na ako. Ang gagawin natin next would be put on some mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Waterproof Maybelline. I really love this because this is my third time nang bumili ng Lash Sensational Mascara nila. And I really love this kasi pwede siyang for normal look up until yung kailangan mong plakadong-plakado yung lashes mo. So, ayan. Okay, so we're going to start kasi nakita ko na wala siyang lashes, wala siyang falsies. So, bubonggahan natin to ng todo. So, to put on mascara, syempre you have to put it dun sa gilid and then wiggle it palabas para hindi siya mag-clump up. Nakita nyo ba? With the mascara without. Dude, the difference. Talaga naman. Siyempre, pati yung ilalim lalagyan natin. Para talagang perfect. Use your pinky to pull this ng konti and tsaka tayo maglalagay. Tapos pababa. Dandahan lang kasi alam mo, mas mabilis mag-clump yung sa baba kaysa sa taas. Okay, malapit na tayo. Tapos na. Ayan. Oh, pack. Okay, we are going to put this maroon shade. Sobrang konti lang. That's one. Dun sa ating lower lash line para lang mag-darken pa, no? Sobrang light lang. Ayan, dadaanan lang natin siya. Blend lang natin ng konti. Ayan. For the finale, meron siyang medyo sparkle dun sa dulo. Ayan, talagyan natin siya nitong white. Is this white? I think this is white. Is this white? Hindi! Yellow siya. Okay, so hanap tayo ng white. The rest ka talaga to sikat. Very good. Okay, gagamitin natin ngayon si Lustrous kasi walang white. Kailangan ko ng white. So, this is what you call white. Ito talaga ang white. Ayan. Ano ba? Yan. Ang white. Thank you, Kat, sa pag-hype. Okay, dahil dyan ko lang tayo ng put. Ganyan lang, put. Kasi intense talaga siya. And we'll put it here sa inner corners natin. Oh, di ba? Huwag ka hihinga. Okay, guys, we are going to use the Cinnamon Nude from JRP. Tapalan natin siya ng konti lang, nung Leo. After yan, lagyan natin siya ng white ulit. Para lang maging mukha siyang dewy. Ayan, naglagay na lang tayo ng blush and highlight. And then I'll get back to you with CAT. Okay? Okay.
And nakikita nyo, talaga namang effort yung aming ginawa. The hairstyle, talagang sikat. Dahil nakita niya ang gulo-gulo yung hair, nagpakagulo din siya ng hair. And ako naman talagang, di ba, yung pangmabaitan talaga. Yan. Oh my God.
Ang ganda ni Pat, like, girl
Nakita
crush
ko
ako
kaming
dito.
katabi. Nakikita ko kayo magkatabi. Para akong, yeah. Boss, saan po gusto nyo? Ma'am?
Hindi, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Shit! Kidding aside, what can you say about, our looks?
Parang ang naging conclusion ko sa akin is kung kaya natin siyang gawin with the products that we already have sa aming, it means the collection na Lion King is something na common mong makikita. Right? Like, even kunyari, kung hindi ko ginamit si I Heart Makeup Revolution, I'm going to use yung Detail Makeover. Diba? So, it's something that you really have it both ways or things na talagang kaya mo siyang makita kahit saan. But, we are not saying naman na everyone doesn't have the $250. So, if you're someone na willing to spend that much, ka namin pinipigilan, go ahead. My goodness, ang ganda ng packaging, ang ganda lahat, as in, the names, yung artistry nung lalagyan ng applicator. Gustong-gusto ko rin siyang bilhin, pero
hanggang tingin na lang talaga.
250 pesos lang. And that is it all for today.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching and you learned something dito sa tutorial na to. If you did, please like this video and comment down below if there are any more looks, any more inspired looks that you want us to try.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our social media accounts. It's posted all right here. And don't forget our previous videos, more makeup tutorials, inspirationals, more cheap videos or affordable makeups that we have is already here.
That is all for today. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!